IMAB stock analysis and IMAB stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. With having done 40,000 videos and been in the market for 5 years, you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And ultimately, IMAB is just nice. Nice in a way where, I mean, it's showing some signs of actual breakage from the supply zone. Hasn't happened yet though, you know, has not yet happened yet. I'm still going to keep an eye, and you know, I'm not just going to assume that things will take the better turn, because this can just as much as I'm hoping for this to just kind of continue to pick up, you know, and go up and extend, chances are this can give me the shift and I can find myself in a sell as well. So I'm waiting. You know, I'm not going to assume. This is a no man's land. I must see the breaks above 145 or beneath 116. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, just sure, click the first link in the description and get my free emails and free insights, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.